Just wanted to get on here and share a quick video of some products that I've really grown to enjoy and I feel like has been beneficial to this beard. So I'm ready to get into it right after this intro. Joe Bro here, and in this video I want to talk about Mad Viking Beard Co. I came across them last year, got to try some of their products, and I have to tell you, I absolutely love this company. Their beard wash and conditioner did make it in my top 12 beard conditioner and beard washes of last year. In fact, I believe they were in the top 5. Beard oils are absolutely incredible, great price. And also, I'm going to talk about a beard brush today, and I'm going to also talk about some of their beard growth vitamins. So we're going to get started with this. I'm going to talk about their oil. I've got a couple of the 2-ounce bottles. This is what they look like. Nice, hefty, big 2-ounce bottle. Now this one is the Ladderock, which is going to be a nice leather scent. So if you're into leather, you are absolutely going to love this oil. These have a cool pump top on all of their oils. They do have a sample pack that can sample all of their offerings when it comes to the scents. But I am a big leather fan and I love Ladderock. Super good, guys. I ended up getting the soap in this one. I had the wash and conditioner. Obviously I had the oil and I have the butter. We're going to talk about the butter here in a few minutes. So that's Ladderock. I also have Vahalla. Now Vahalla has made it into a couple of different videos that I've made on my top oils. I just released today my top spring summer scents that I go to for 2024, and this one made it in it. So it's got a nice creamy sandalwood scent, just overall nice and pleasing, very strong scents on these oils. They'll last you a long time in your beard. Kind of a medium viscosity. This one's going to have for the ingredients: apricot kernel oil, almond oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil, hemp seed oil, grapeseed oil, and vitamin E. Again, this one's going to be a nice, smooth sandalwood and just a touch of vanilla. So really good. I love Vahalla. Love it. Now, 2-ounce bottle for 20 bucks, guys. Man, that is a great bargain. You figure $10 for a 1-ounce bottle. If you were to get 2 1-ounce bottles, you're typically looking about $15, $16 on the low end for an oil, all the way up to $25, sometimes $30 for a 1-ounce bottle. This is a 2-ounce bottle and it'll run you only $19.99. It can also save you some extra money with the discount code below if you want to use it, but that is a great buy on some oil. So let's talk about the beard butter, guys. This one's going to be the Ladderock, which is going to be that nice leather scent. And I also have the Vahalla. This is what the Vahalla looks like. Let me show you the texture of this. All right, so this is the beard butter, and you can see how smooth that is. Super good, guys. No wax in this. The ingredients in this one is going to have shea butter, mango butter, cocoa butter, jojoba oil, argan oil, and grapeseed oil. So no wax in this. Very nice. A nice blend. I'm telling you, it's creamy texture. I love the beard butter from Mad Viking. Super good. Again, their scents are great, guys. They've got tons of them. But I love the Vahalla and I love the Ladderock because, again, I love sandalwood and I love leather. One more thing I want to talk about, and then I want to talk about the beard brush that I've got. But this one worked really well, these vitamin gummies. They tasted pretty good. I took 2 of them every night before I went to bed. Has great ingredients in it, guys. It's going to help you with just a healthier beard. You know, obviously we want to encourage you to drink a lot of water, stay hydrated, and just take care of yourself with good products. But if you're not getting the nutrients and the vitamins that you need through your food, this will help as well. This is going to have the biotin, vitamin B12, vitamin B5. And I'm not saying that this is going to grow a beard, but it seemed really well for me. And it's helped me to have a healthier beard in my personal experience. But again, this one is going to be Beard Vitamin Gummies by Mad Viking Beard Co. This one's completely gone. So I think that's about 20 bucks for that bottle. You get 60 of them in there. So 20 bucks for a whole month's worth. Last thing I'm gonna talk about is probably my MVP of all my tools. I use this all the time when I'm styling my beard. I'll use heat on it and use this brush. I'll brush it before I do the heat when I put the beard oils in, and it is nice because it distributes the product like the oil, butter, and balm really evenly through my beard. Now, the cool thing about this brush is I wanted to have a nice detangler brush. brush, but I also wanted to have something with the boar bristles to kind of dig deep down into my skin to get the oils in there. And I wanted to have the detangler to help straighten my beard, but also to get the butter and all the balm through it. This one turned out to be really cool and helpful for me because it has the boar brushes, but also has the bristles. It's like a combination of both. A cool wooden design on this thing, really, really nice. The handle, just a nice paddle brush. I love it. You can see the how big it is. It's just really, really nice, but it just works super good, guys. And this one is only going to cost $19.99, so 20 bucks. Again, I can save you 10%, so that takes off $2 off of the deal. So, but if you were to get like an oil, butter, balm, and all this, 10% goes a long ways when you're taking it off of a higher price. So anyways, guys, that is going to be my quick review of the Mad Viking Beard Co., the Vahalla, the Ladderock, the oil, the butter. The balm is great too. The balm's going to come in more of a square. You just slide it open and just pull the balm out, you know, just like a typical balm. It's not going to be a round can. It's going to be a square rectangular can. But anyways, really good price for the oil, 2-ounce bottles, 20 bucks. So great, great, great buy, guys. I encourage you to check out Mad Viking Beard Co. because the ingredients are great. You can try the sample packs out to see which scent that you like the most. But again, most of their scents are spot on really, really well. I love their swag. I love their t-shirts. They're really high quality t-shirts. They're not going to be like the 100% cotton cheap ones. That's going to do it for me on this review, guys. So if you have any questions, as always, drop them down in the comments. Let me know, have you ever tried Mad Viking Beard Co? And if you have, what was your experience? What is your favorite product from that company? I personally myself would love to know your thoughts on this. So if you stayed this long, thank you for checking out this channel. If you're returning, a special shout out to you. Thanks for supporting the channel. Hit the like button. It does help with this video if it's been helpful for you. Stay blessed, stay bearded, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one.